Hi guys, I'm Trax and this is the biggest set I've designed for CaDA, the Claas Dominator 370. Thanks to CaDA and Claas we have fulfilled your dreams and everyone can build a similar model at home. There is also information that the model can be controlled by an app. In addition to the bricks, there's a lot of electronics. We have 2 remote controls, 2 control bricks, 4 classic motors and 3 micro motors. The model has new elements. These are 32 stud long carbon axles for the ouches, much less flexible than the standard ones, which prevents bending. There are also new tire size. The quality of the printed bricks is very good. On the main screen you will see information about the battery charge level. There is a steering wheel, buttons to control the drive motor, and switch to turn the header on.